Did you know your tongue can reveal a lot about your health? It's true. This muscular organ does more than just help us taste and swallow food. It's like a mirror, reflecting the state of our overall well-being. From its color, texture, to even its shape, each aspect of the tongue can point towards different health conditions. So in this video, we'll explore the various signs that our tongues may display and what they could mean for our health. Let's dive into what different signs on your tongue might mean. First, let's understand what a healthy tongue looks like. A healthy tongue is a fascinating sight, showcasing a vibrant pink hue and a smooth texture. It's devoid of any noticeable abnormalities such as bumps, lumps, or unusual coatings. It's just like a well-paved road, clear and unobstructed. Now remember, each tongue is unique and can have slight variations in appearance. However, a drastic change from this norm could be your body's way of raising a red flag. If your tongue looks different, it might be trying to tell you something. Now, let's discuss what different signs on your tongue can indicate about your health. A white coating often suggests poor oral hygiene, but it can also be a sign of conditions like oral thrush. It's essential to keep your mouth clean and maintain a healthy diet to prevent such issues. If your tongue appears red or strawberry-like, it could be a signal of vitamin deficiencies or certain diseases. Make sure to consume a balanced diet rich in essential vitamins and minerals. A swollen or enlarged tongue may indicate allergies, infections, or underlying medical conditions. If you notice this, it's important to seek medical attention promptly. Cracks or fissures on your tongue are usually harmless, but deep cracks could hint at dehydration. So keep yourself hydrated and monitor any changes in your tongue's texture. Bumps or lumps can be signs of irritation or inflammation. Although rare, they can also indicate oral cancer. Regular dental checkups can help catch any potential issues early on. Scalloped edges on your tongue are often linked to teeth grinding or certain medical conditions. If you notice this sign, it's worthwhile to discuss it with your dentist or doctor. Lastly, persistent bad breath could be a sign of underlying health problems. It's not just about keeping your breath fresh, but also about maintaining your overall health. Remember, if you notice any significant changes in your tongue, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional. Your tongue is a powerful tool, not just for tasting and talking, but for understanding your health too. This journey into tongue health has shown us that from pink and smooth to white-coated or even red, our tongues whisper secrets about our well-being. If you notice any changes, don't hesitate to consult a healthcare professional. It's all about staying informed, alert, and proactive. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this and stay on top of your health.